Welcome, here I've got Samsung Galaxy A21s and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera watermark at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button here to open it, and as you can see for now we are in the standard photo mode, so let's go now to more advanced options. We can do it by tapping on this button here in the left corner. And it opens as the advanced camera settings. Now let's slide a little bit down to the useful features, and at the last position here we have the watermark, so by using this button we can easily turn it on and turn it off like that. This is how it works here, and for now let me keep this turned on and let's go back to the camera to take a picture. Now let's move here to the left corner at the bottom. When we tap on this we get quick access to the gallery, so this is our picture, and as you can see here we have the watermark Samsung quad camera and shot with my Galaxy A21s. So this is how it looks like. Of course, when we don't need it we can easily go back to these settings in the left corner, slide again to the useful features and tap on this button. So when we take another picture, now this option is turned off. So that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.